Oh, the old Comet. Time to give this Comet some love. It's a 1961. It's got cat eye tail lights. It's called old style because it is. Ricky, he hangs out with us. And we got the Pilsner keg tap as a shifter. Super cool dash package. Sort of like horizontal cat eyes. And yeah, a few little character pieces. And it has been to one car show back in 2005 at least. Well, 2 car shows, 2005. Hot Cars at the Harbor and Blessing Place Collector Car Festival. And these cat eye tail lights are really hard to see right now, but you can see how they go down on a crazy slant there. And this thing at night, when you're riding behind it, looks like an angry alien. As far as rust goes, it's got some. It's a 1961. Shit, it's 2018. This car's older than me, and I'm fucking old. Comes with pinstriping. Was a former member of the Fool's Car Club. Pilsner mugs in the back window. Ouch! Blackberries, blackberries. Oh, but it's Trooperland back here. Look at this, 1992, 3.2, dual overhead cam. It is a pretty sweet truck. We're gonna fix that up. 190 horse stock on that one. And here's my Trooper, the frame off resto that we plan on getting done on that baby. And there's Old Blue. And there's Goldie. And there's G's Red Trooper, which, well, we have finished rescuing and restoring, or, well, I wouldn't call it a restoration. It's a semi-repair here. It's had a complete engine tune-up, and we've replaced parts in the rear spring shackles, but just with used parts to stay in budget. It's gotten a brand new exhaust system, basically from the collector all the way back. Stainless steel Walker exhaust parts. And definitely a very healthy cleanup to get rid of the Vancouver Island patina, which is in one of the former videos. And so now we're going to test drive it by taking it for a ride to go and see the other 2 rescue troopers that are sitting in Shawnigan Bay still. Shawnigan Lake, actually. Bicycleitis. Let's go check it out. I'll do another film when we get there.